It was a cold, dark night. She walked alone down the street. She heard a sound. And suddenly... Wait, do you know what tense I'm using? Yes, it's the past simple. Perfect for telling stories. Let's learn how to use it. This is me, Dina Rabie. What is the past simple? We use the past simple tense to talk about actions that happened in the past and are now finished. For example, I watched a movie last night. Or she played football yesterday. How do we form this tense? When we have regular verbs, we simply add ed to the verb. For example, play, played, work, worked, clean, cleaned. However, not all verbs are regular. Some of them are irregular. This means not all verbs follow the ed rule. Some are irregular, which means you have to memorize them. For example, go, went, eat, ate, see, saw, buy, bought, and have, had. This is an example story with irregular verbs. Yesterday I went to the mall, bought a dress, and ate pizza. To make the negative form, we use did not or didn't plus the base verb. For example, I didn't watch the movie. Notice here you cannot say I didn't watch. It should be the base verb. Another example, he didn't go to school. So here you cannot say he didn't went to school. You should use the base form of the verb, which is go here. To ask a question, start with did, then the subject, then the base verb. So did you play football? Or did they visit Cairo? We have also time markers. Time markers help the listener know when the action happened. Let's see the most common ones with the past simple. You have yesterday, last week, or last month, or last year, last Wednesday, in 2020 or any year or any date ago. Let's look at some examples. I met my best friend 5 years ago. She moved to Abu Dhabi 2 months ago. I visited my grandmother last month. I traveled to Italy in 2019. Recap time. Past simple means finished actions in the past. With regular verbs, we usually add ed. Irregular verbs have to be memorized. You form a negative by using didn't plus base verb. You form a question by using did plus subject plus base verb. And these are the most common time markers. Now I want you to write a sentence in the past tense in the comments. See you in the next video.